Hello friends. So today I'm going to talk about what is the advantage of using dev license over free enterprise. So as you know, we're having free license that we are getting for 60 days. So after 60 days, we have to uh, again reinstall it. But if I will recommend if you go for dev license, you will get for 6 months, and after that, you can renew. So I will this, explain how what is the difference between these and accordingly you can use it. So what is the requirement to get those accounts? The requirement is very simple. You have to first have Splunk account. So I believe everyone having Splunk account. Then after having your Splunk account, then I will explain you difference. So the difference is very simple. Just Google it afterwards. But the key points are Splunk Free Enterprise available for 60 days trial version, and then you will need to reinstall. No credit card required. That's good, and you can use for personal use. Okay. For a developer license, so developer license, you need to request it. So as you see, there is URL over here. So you need to go to this URL or Google it. Just Splunk Enterprise Dev License. I will show you in practicals. So this will take some time because after 3 days, maybe they will take maximum 3 days to review it, and you will get developer license. So when it will expire, it will expire after 6 months, and at that point you can renew it also. And more advantages, you can index 10 GB data per day, grant full access to Splunk Enterprise features. And you can mention see here last bullet point, you can renew your developer license within 10 days of the license expiration. So that's a good one. So let's look at the practical aspects. So if you see here, so I already have my Splunk account. So you can see I already logged in to my account. So if I go to free trial version, so you can see 60 days. So whatever I mentioned in presentation, you can see here. So you have to create your Splunk account. If you don't have account, then go to splunk.com and just create your account. Okay. And if you have account, then you can download this one. And for developer license, as I mentioned, you can Google it. Maybe I will just Google it in front of you. Dev developer license. You can click on this and you can see here the same bullet points I copied from here. So expire after 6 months, then indexing allow for 10 gig, uh, data per day, and then full access. So this is, I think I already explained you. So what you need to do is you need to just click on this Splunk developer agreement, and you have to accept it and submit. So when you submit, right now it's showing 500 error. I don't know why, but I already requested this one. I think 3 days before. So when I requested, they will review it and they will provide license to me. So I will show you directly. They provided license to me. So you can see here, it's a 6 hours ago. I got my Splunk developer license. Okay, so you can see here. Hello Mahesh. So thanks for interest in developing. Okay. On Splunk platform, 10 gig developer license you requested it attached to email. So the license is attached. So they mention clearly Splunk developer for personal license, not for resale. Again, yeah. So basically, you can use for the personal use only. So I'm using for research purpose, and I think this is very useful for you also because 6 month is a good time to explore, Splunk. So I hope this will helpful you guys. So just and how to apply this license. You have to just download it. So maybe just download the file from here. Okay, and how to install? Just click on this link and follow the instructions. So you can see. I hope we are using standalone instance. So we have to follow these instructions. Like you need to go to the instance settings, licensing, add license. So what we will do is let's follow this one. So go to settings and licensing. So Let's see, I'm having my Splunk. Okay, so I will just open side by side. I haven't applied yet, so I will just do in front of you guys. Okay, so I will go to settings. Okay, after settings, license. So you can see here, just one sec. So you can see here, if you go to settings, I'm following the same instruction and go to licensing. So under system, you're having licensing. Okay, then you have to click add license. I'm using the same steps as it is. Choose the file that we already downloaded. So I go to downloads and I had downloaded this one. So apply this. Okay, choose the file and browse. Okay, file or okay. So there is an option. You can select the file or you can copy paste. This. So I just select the file. Restart required. So you can see to apply the developer license. So you need to restart it. So I will just restart now. So before applying this developer license, my instance was enterprise. So I can use that for 60 days trial version. So right now, after reboot, maybe it will convert it into the developer license and I can use this for 6 months. And before, definitely before 10 days of expiration, I will reapply because I'm using for my personal use and research purpose. Okay, so I hope this video helpful for you guys, and thank you so much. And yes, go for it, and yeah, apply for your developer license. Thank you.